Everyone, I'm Sean Ernie. So, good morning, Sir Padilla po. Sir Padilla. So, start na po tayo sa ating presentation. So, ang title po nito is Estimating the Materials for Concrete Pipe Volume Method. So, ito po yung concrete pipe, yung mga bilog. So, ito po yung concrete pipe na pinapakita po yung longitudinal section, yung drawing. AutoCAD po yung ginamit dito. So, sa mga concrete pipe, yung ano po, DPWH, or stands for Department of Public Works and Highways in the Philippines. Ito po yung mga namamahala sa roads, bridges, flood control systems, and other public works. So, learning objectives, describe concrete pipe, differentiate the two solving methods for concrete pipe, perform the step-by-step process of getting the volume of concrete pipe, or last, appreciate the estimates and functions of concrete pipe. So, here's the problem. A road construction required 10 pieces of 90 centimeter diameter concrete pipes for drainage purposes. Determine the quantity of cement, sand, and gravel needed using Class A concrete. So dito na-identify anong concrete yung gagamitin. So we need to find the quantity of cement, sand, and gravel using the Class A cement. So class I will discuss the volume method, and for the later part, the perfect method. So here, the illustration, application view, SketchUp. So ito po yung 10 pieces na concrete pipe. So it has a 90 centimeter diameter. Also, same concept po ito sa wood joints. It also has a tongue and groove. Yung tongue, ipapasok. Yung groove, yung papasukan. So, dimension of concrete pipe. So, here, 1 meter. So, yung inner natin, inner diameter is 90 centimeter. So, the length of meter na given is 90 centimeter. The only given is inner diameter. So, what is the outer diameter? Let's find out. So based from the table, so diameter in centimeter, yung katabi meter diameter na 90 is 110. So this time must be base. So I want you to follow me what I'm doing this on the board. So you'll be using calculator class. So volume, please remember this. Sorry, 854 multiplied by 1.10 squared. Multiplied by 1. So bakit nagkaroon ng decimal dito? Kailangan natin siyang gawing decimal and then squared. So ito yung formula. So anyone, can you solve this class? Ano po yung 5 point dito? Maaari kong 58. Anyone? Yung kulang nila. So, 0.953 cubic meter. So, details sa outer diameter. How about sa inner diameter? So, volume is equals to 0.7 thousand.
Oo. Ay, meron pa tayo isa, di ba?
154 multiplied
May
by
lesson. Hindi, yung dulo.
0.90
Yung
squared
dulo.
multiplied by what? So, everyone? 0.866 So, nakuha na natin yung outer and inner diameter. So, for the step 3, we need to subtract the step 2 to step 1. So, 0.9 cubic meter is minus 2. 0.636 is equals to
0.1,
medyo kanila 0.314. Now, for the step number 4, to get the total volume of 10.5, so 0.314 multiplied by 10 is equals to
3.14.
okay, thank you, Richard. 3.14. Now, yung sa number 5 naka-indicate, ayan. So, for the number 5, refer to the table using 40 kilogram cement plus A concrete. So, yung sa cement natin, 3.14 multiplied by 9 is equals to 28.26, say 29 bags. Yung sand naman natin, 3.14 is equals, multiplied by 0.5 is equals to 1.57, say 2.0 cubic meter. So for the last gravel, 3.14 multiplied by 1.0 is equals to 3.14, say 4.0 cubic meter. So, ayan, for the illustration agad class, so 1 is 2 is to 4, so 1 cement, 2 sand, 4 gravel. So, for the last, here is the perfect method. So, dito, mas maikli siya compared sa volume since, ayun, gagamitin pa rin natin yung outer and inner diameter, yung 90 and 100. 110. So, ayan. Yung 10, i-multiply lang natin using this table. Dito. Ayan. Cement, 10 multiplied by 2.826 is equals to 28.26, say 29 bags. Tapos yung sand, 10 multiplied by 0.157 is equals to 1.57, say 2 cubic meters. So yung gravel, 10 multiplied by 0.314 is equals to 3.14, say 4.0 cubic meters. Yes po. So ayun, for the assignment, a road construction requires 12 pieces of 90 cm diameter concrete pipes for drainage purposes. Determine the quantity of cement, sand, and gravel needed to manufacture said pipes using Class B concrete. So that's all. Thank you and mabuhay. So here is the reference kay Bahar de Water Division. Thank you.